Welcome to a beautiful day in Black Mountain. I am excited to show you this brand new construction at 987 Loseth. Let's take a look. We have beautiful stainless steel appliances, quartz countertops, a gorgeous lighting package, and custom tile work in the kitchen, and huge high ceilings, windows that go all the way up to take in this magnificent view. It's fantastic. We've got a gorgeous primary bedroom with a huge ensuite, a large walk-in closet, and also on the first floor there is an office, which could also be a bedroom. Downstairs we've got this large family area, sliding glass doors to open up onto a covered patio. You can add a swim spa, and there's an entrance in that'll take you even into a laundry room for towels. 2 more bedrooms and a bathroom round out the downstairs, and then we've got a 1-bedroom legal suite. This suite was thoughtfully planned, placed underneath the garage for great soundproofing. It's got 1 bedroom, it's got its own bathroom, and a stacker washer dryer. Come and see this beautiful home in Black Mountain. You're gonna love the neighborhood. It's close to schools, shopping's just down the hill, and there are trails everywhere. I'm Stephanie Gilchrist at Coldwell Banker Horizon Realty.